Well, I gotta take the truck out. I gotta pick something up today, so I'm taking the truck instead of the car. I don't usually take the truck very much, so I gotta clean up all this stuff here. But I wanted to show you. Well, this is a 19-year-old truck already, and good old rust is starting to take at it. So I know I could hear this while I'm driving, so I'm gonna take this mud flap off so I don't lose a part of the. There's hardly anything holding here anymore. So somebody actually said you should take your door and put some WD-40, but really what's happening, it's touching here and there's no material down here to hold it. So yeah, I'm a little disappointed with that. Why we have oil leaking over there? What's going on there? Is there any oil on the ground? Oh, there is. I'll check that right away. So I'm going to take this mud flap off because this is what this thing does. I even put the protective cover in here just to make sure that I wouldn't have that issue, but it is what it is. So what I'll do is I'm going to take this off here. Okay, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I got to get this thing replaced. I got rust into there. Maybe I could just get somebody to paint the whole panel for me. Oh, shucks. You know, and then that's what we see. But what is the other things we don't see? Like, I mean, we're starting to get some rust into here already. I need a professional to be looking at this. You know, here already, the rust is starting to come through. And let's see what the other side. This side is still actually really good yet. A little bit of rust started to come here because somebody drove into the fence post. Well, I don't know if that's it or not, but oh yeah, see, this one's starting to get hammered out too. I think what's happening is these mud flaps are holding the salt in the ice. The salt gets in there. You know, you see some of these vehicles built in the 1940s, they hardly have any rust in them. Maybe they weren't driving them in the, maybe they weren't driving those vehicles when it was salty. I don't know. Anyways, that's off right now. Maybe it won't make as much noise because yeah, it was bugging me a little bit. It's but this thing's got quite a bit of weight to it, this mud flap. Things are really melting today. I just checked the temperature and it's plus 10. It's got to take care of a lot of snow out here. It's oh man, that's power sun. That sun's got a lot of power this morning or this afternoon. It's about 1 o'clock. I think next week we're gonna have the time change. Stupid time change. That's what I think about time change. Well, we're gonna feed you guys up right away as well. I wanted to show you something I have been working on. I got another chassis for that snowmobile. What I needed was the rear heat exchanger. I got another heat exchanger with the whole frame, and I think I just might take everything out of the other snowmobile and put it into here because that heat exchanger I don't think is very easy to get out. And then I think I got to remove the motor. I'm not sure. I will investigate that a little bit more. But the other thing too is I'm working on is I bought a new seat today and a seat cover because this foam was all worn out. And this is actually a glove is what this is. But I've put it in here for time being because I've ripped 2 pairs of jeans. So, yeah. But anyways, I'll get new seat covers to put onto here. So that's what I ordered. It was just under 200 bucks. So ordered up on Amazon. 200 bucks Canadian, I think it was. So probably get that in a little while. See, the cows are all venturing out right now looking for grass. So yeah, this is the frame. I think what I'll do, I was actually a little surprised. This is not supposed to be bent like this. This is supposed to be straight. So yeah, so I think I might take everything out of here and put it onto that frame. That's what I think I might do. But we're gonna start losing the snow pretty soon, and I'll get that thing going before I have to put it back into storage. So let's go load up the trailer up with some hay. So we had a good wind here the other day. It blew these portable windbreaks down. One got blown down over there. They slid over. I might have some other video of it, but yeah. That's kind of the reason I actually put so close to the portable, to this round bale feeder. Yeah, man, oh man, we did a lot of damage here. So anyways, let's go lift this up. Well, we got a little bit of damage on here, but not that bad. And it is expected that's going to happen. I think hopefully if this thing does freeze down, then getting a north wind, maybe we won't have that issue, but not much I can do about it. Gotta do something with these boards. I'm gonna put them in the cab of the tractor. I put them in front, they fall off. Drive the tractor over them and might make a hole in a tire, and then I got extra work and extra expense to fix it, so I don't want that. Hi. Okay, what time is it? I think it was 1:42 when I stepped into the tractor, and it is 4:09, so just under 2 hours. No, that was actually just under 3 hours. So we can say 2.5 hours. So 2.5 hours to I fed everything. So I ran around, fed everything up today. Cows, I gave them 10 bales of hay, just dropped them out there. So roughly 6 bales would always last for 2 days. So 3 days, we're good there for 3 days. So we're gonna be Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I probably don't feed till Friday. I fed the calves here in the yard. Also the bulls, and you see me use portable windbreaks. And I even put 6 bales of silage bales on the trailer, because if that snow gets a little hard at where I'm picking it, it won't be that easy to get with my 2-wheel drive tractor. And I got myself another bale here for the calves, just so that when I do have to feed them, it'll be done a lot easier. So yeah, it's so just under 3 hours. Oh, and I even brought 4 pails of grain to the chickens, and that's going to last for probably a week. Hey, what did you doing jumping around? You fell down. Yeah, it's the calves. I probably have to feed them again Wednesday evening or Thursday, so that's going to be okay. So 3 hours, roughly an hour a day, and then I could do some paperwork as well. Now it's work on that, do some office work. So good. Day today looks like it's just going to hover right around melting or a little bit slippery. We had some mild days here. I did take a spill yesterday, yeah, and the falling down wasn't the problem, it was the landing. But I didn't hurt myself. Had a bit of a sore wrist, tried to catch myself, but anyways, that's how it goes. So anyways, my Impala here, I just thought, well, I didn't know if I was gonna video any of this, but this is a reason why, you know, if you live out in the farm, you need to have a vehicle to get to town or back or just get anywhere. Like it's my Impala here has been giving me some issues. So what's been happening is on the dash I get a notification, not all the time, exactly what I mean, and it tells me to service stable track. So when that happens, those lights come on, but sometimes I'll just turn the vehicle off and then it goes away, but it does come on while I'm driving. But what I've noticed is so then the power steering doesn't work because I don't know. But anyways, what it's indicated to me, it's my left rear wheel. I got a scanner, I scanned it, and it leads me to the left rear wheel. So I'm going to take it off, and I'm just going to see, because I remember last year what I did is I did put a new wheel bearing on, and I put a new connection. So I'm going to take this off, clean it off, and we're going to see what that looks like. So what's happening here, I think it's something to do with my connection out here. So I know I replaced this last year, and I replaced this last year too, so I don't know what the deal here, but this thing is dirty. I don't want to clean it up because we're still going to have some melting going on, and it's going to really, so I'm not sure. I'm going to find out if I can get another one of these, and if it's still covered under warranty, because I thought they were. Because these are a little bit of pain in the butt to take out, but I'm going to run some air in there and maybe we'll clean something out. And I'll take the pressure washer, because look at how much of this all collects here. Because if this is not clean, but I mean it's kind of even now, and it collects on here. So what happens is this all this dirt comes in. If you don't clean it properly and you have one side of dirt, you have this shake in the car, it kind of shimmies, and yeah, that's not fun. So what I'm going to do is I'll run the air through that. I don't think I've accomplished anything. That's my view, anyways. Look at all the stuff that's been collected here. That's probably a good 1/4 of an inch. Hey, that's dirty. Probably salty too. I'll just clean it up, put the tire back on. I'll give the car a bit of a rinse, And I'll show you the show you the inside of this one. Okay, so there's, I cleaned all this up. That was a lot of dirt on here. It's only second year I've had these rims and they're really starting to rust. Mind you, all the salt we get onto them doesn't help. So I'm going to put this on. I cleaned this out. So hopefully this is, it'll work. I got to just see the warranty on the other one, just see where they're at, and hopefully I can get it fixed or see what happens. I know when I hit the brake hard, it does sometimes it works, sometimes you shut the vehicle off, then it works properly. That ABS and stable track doesn't come on. Well, I'm going to put that back together. Okay. Well, I've got to drive 50 kilometers anyway, so I'll take this with me here tomorrow. Then I have it, and then I can just double check it. Okay, we'll give this thing a bit of a bath. Take all the rust off it. No, not the rust. I guess we'll take all the salt off it. Make it look cleaner. So this thing froze while it was outside for the little bit. Never thought of it. Ah. Okay, well, I guess I'm not washing the car. I'll wait till it gets dirty next time. So yeah, I had the the wand outside, and it froze. Okay, we'll put it back in the shop here. So that job is not going to happen. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you liked the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Hey, ouch, that hurt. What if I bite you on the knee? How would you like that?